Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving us the opportunity to be here today. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to my honorable lecturer, Professor Dr. Syafridil SPD MPD. I would also like to thank all participants who took part in this project, and I would like to also thank to everyone who support me to conduct this study. My name is Ade Sepiani from English Education Department of Sultan Agung Tirtayasa University, with student number 342-32354. And today I would like to present my research article entitled "The Relationship Between Exposure to English UFA Champions League News and Reading Comprehension Among Indonesian Football Fans in EFL Context." This study focuses on how Indonesian football fans and often reading in football news. In this presentation, I will explain the background of the study, the research method, and the result, the findings, and also the conclusion. I hope this presentation can give useful information about how personal interest can affect reading comprehension. Okay, as we know, reading comprehension is very important when we learn English. If the student can understand English text well, they can learn new information, they can improve their vocabulary, and they can develop their English skill. However, many Indonesian students still have problem when they're reading English texts. At the same time, football is the most popular sport in Indonesia. In fact, national surveys show that 62.7% of respondents were interested to see football videos online. Because football is very popular, many people spend their free time to watching football videos and reading football news. Because of this situation, I became interested in finding out whether reading English football news is related to reading comprehension among Indonesian football fans in the EFL. Okay, because of the background, I have several research questions. The first is, what is the level of exposure to English UFA Champions League news among Indonesian football fans? Number two, what is the level of reading comprehension among Indonesian football fans in the EFL context? And number three, is there a significant relationship between exposure to English UFA Champions League news and reading comprehension among Indonesian football fans in the EFL context? Because of this question, I have research objectives. Number one, to describe the level of exposure to English and Champions League news among Indonesian football fans. Number two, to describe the level of reading comprehension among Indonesian football fans in the EFL context. And number three, to explain the relationship between exposure to English and Champions League news and reading comprehension among Indonesian football fans in the EFL context. Okay, many previous studies already found that authentic English material can help students learn English. Also, some studies say that digital media can help students improve their reading skill and improve their vocabulary. Another study also found that students can understand English text more easily, better if they already know about the topic. But however, most studies still focuses on reading comprehension among EFL context, and most studies don't have enough focuses on football fans in EFL context. Okay, this study used two grand theory. The first theory is present-useful hypothesis. This theory says that people learn a language when they get a meaningful and understandable language. Also, reading comprehension for football fans in Indonesia. Okay, this study uses quantitative relation design. The purpose was to see whether there is a relationship between exposure to English UFA Champions League news and reading comprehension among Indonesian football fans in the context. The participants of this study were 100 Indonesian football fans who were 17 years old or above. The study uses composite sampling, which is because participants have to be Indonesian football fans and football fans who often reading English football news. To collect the data, I used two kind of instrument. The first instrument is questionnaire, which is about the exposure to English football news, and the second instrument is reading comprehension test, which consists of 10 questions. The questionnaire and reading test were distributed online through social media. Okay, now I will explain the findings of this study. The questionnaire findings shows that most of participants have a high level of exposure to English football news. Around 85 participants strongly agree that they often read football news in English. Also, 86 participants strongly agree that they follow UFA Champions League news through English media. Another interesting finding is that 88 participants strongly agree that English football news help them to learn new vocabulary. Besides high exposure, motivation was also very important in this time. Most of participants say that they really enjoy reading English football news. Around 92 participants says that they read English football news without any pressure. They also say that they can spend more time to reading English football news because the topic is about their favorite team. Also, they also say that they can participate more about reading comprehension in this test. Okay, next. I will explain the reading comprehension test. The reading test was consist of 10 questions. Overall, most participants were performed very well. Almost all questions were answered correctly by all participants. Question number 2, 7, and 8 were answered correctly by all participants. Question number 1, 3, 5, 9, and 10 had a high score. Only question number 4 and 6 they have slightly lower score. But most of participants have answered them correctly. Okay, let's discuss the finding. The finding shows that the participants who often read English football news have a high level of reading comprehension score. One reason may be because they already have English input regularly. Every time they read English football news, they can see English vocabulary, and they can see sentence better. Another reason may be because their background knowledge. They already know about the team, about the match, about the players, about the club. Because of this background knowledge, they can understand English football news more easily. Okay. This study have found that most of football fans already have a high level of exposure to English Football UFA in Champions League. Also, the finding says that most of football fans already have a high reading comprehension score. In addition, interest and motivation can have a significant role in improving their reading skill. These findings suggest that English football news can give English football news can be an authentic material for English learners because when the student read something they enjoy, they can feel more comfortable and they can feel more motivated to read more. Although this study provide positive findings, the study also have several limitations. The first one is sample limited to self-identified people friends. Number two, self-reported questionnaire data. And number three, findings may not generalize to all EFL learners. Future researches can include larger samples. Also, they can include different age classes, and also they can use experimental or longitudinal design.